guys, and welcome back to another, the first beauty related video of 2021. I can't believe 2020 is already over. I'm still like digesting that. A very, very happy new year to everybody. Thanks so much for making our 2020, at least Business of Must 2020, as amazing as it was. It's all thanks to the support and love that we got from all of you. As you can tell from the title, today's video is a quick and easy hairstyles video, yet another quick and easy hairstyles video. I associate New Year's with stepping out of your comfort zone a little bit, at least for the first 3 days of the year. So I thought, why not make a video that will push a few of you to come out of your comfort zone and create some of these hairstyles for yourself, just based on how easy these are to achieve. And if you're interested to see what are these quick and easy hairstyles that you can create, what do I say? What is my intro? I'm spazzing out. If y'all want to know how I did it, let's get right into it. Okay, so if you want to see what my go-to quick and easy hairstyles part 2 are, let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it. Can't believe I forgot my own intro. That's a great start to the year. So before I start with the hairstyles, I usually have my hair like this, like I have little curls going on in the bottom, or I don't have anything done. This is my natural hair. This is not straightened or anything. I did some curls, little curls with a straightener in the bottom. I have hair somewhere between medium to long, I would say. I'm not sure. I don't know what you would call this. So anybody that's like around this length or somewhere medium, I think these hairstyles should be good. Actually, it's pretty universal, but I am really sorry to any of my curly girls out there. I don't know if you guys will be able to recreate these on your hair, but I'm pretty sure y'all will be, at least some of these. I'm gonna share around 4 hairstyles and I hope some of these suit your hair type, but I really apologize if it doesn't. But this is my natural hair type and these are the ways I like to wear my hair. So if you have somewhere similar hair texture to this, or if you can style your hair like this, I'm pretty sure you can recreate at least 3 of these hairstyles. Yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. So the first hairstyle is pretty easy. Is any of my hairstyle complete without me taking out these front pieces? I think not. This hairstyle I did for the New Year's Eve party as well. This is very versatile. You can do this hairstyle with Indian, with Western, with fusion, literally with anything and every look, any and every look that you're creating. As you can see, I am not a comb kind of a person, so I will not be using any comb. It's like a low pony kind of, but if it is tight enough, you will be able to pull some hair near the pony out so that it creates that loose Deepika kind of a pony vibe. And what I'm gonna do is, I don't like my rubber band showing, right? Pull a strand of hair, and I don't know if you can see, so I pulled a strand of hair and I'm gonna go around my rubber band, creating a band out of my own hair so that it's nice and seamless. I'm gonna take a pin like this and just push the hair in so that nobody knows we did this. I mean, everybody knows, let's be honest. Okay, I hate my baby hairs, so I'm gonna put them behind. So this is like a chill yet chic low pony kind of a situation, especially when you have like those curls going on in the bottom. It looks really elegant and chic. So now that I have my baby hairs behind, this is how it looks like. View of how it looks from the back. Hold on, I need to see what y'all are seeing. So yeah, this is what what? Why did you guys tell me about that? Yeah, I pushed her in. This is better now. It looks so chic and pretty. And I like doing this hairstyle when my earrings are going to be like really nice and heavy. It's very simple. Like it's a effortlessly chic kind of a hairstyle, and that's hairstyle number 1. So for all of these hairstyles, all you're gonna need 4 sets of bobby pin, because every place that you secure needs to be like locked together, like how I showed y'all in my previous video. There's another video that I created with much more easier hairstyles, and if you guys are new to this channel, I will link it down below and you can go check it out. So for this next hairstyle, all you're gonna do is literally pull out a piece of hair. See how I'm not using any comb, but if you have more like frizzy or textured hair, you might wanna use a comb for these. It's very simple. You're gonna need either these like small rubber bands, or you can even use these. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna pull a little bit of hair from here and just gonna tie it into a cute little pony right here. And I would usually prefer a black rubber band like this because it's not visible like this. Then you can do the same thing that we did with the previous pony and just hide it up. But yeah, I don't have another one of these. I've lost all of them. Story of my life. But I'm gonna put this one on this side so you know what I'm talking about. So yes, roughly. I like when the ponies are placed a little wonky. I feel like it looks so cute and like messy. Just put it in a cute little pony. That's all you did. I have done this hairstyle like in 1000 videos, like dance videos, because it looks so cute when you're like doing the steps. You can't fight me. This is literally the cutest hairstyle ever. You see how I'm saying if it was black, it would not be visible like this. These will break your hair, these won't. So I prefer these cotton ones any day. Yeah, this is the second hairstyle. It's like a cute bunny or ponies. This is like the final like whole look. This is one of my most go-to hairstyles and also one of the most requested hairstyles. But yeah, that's it. Okay, so the next hairstyle is also really easy. So for this hairstyle, again, you're just gonna pull a strand of hair in the front. Actually, more this time, a little more than usual. Okay, just make sure they're of equal length on each side. And then what you're gonna do is take a thick piece of hair from here. Okay, in the back right here, a big piece of hair from here, and you're gonna put the rest of your hair in a clip like this, and then you have this outside like this. Can you see me? Yeah, perfect. So what you're gonna do is make this a braid, and make sure you're not like making it a tight braid, and braid it all the way to the end. I took less hair out from this side, but never mind. Once that's done, put it in a ponytail, and then take another piece of hair from this side, right? And then put this back inside in a pony. No, in a clip. All the way to the end, don't forget. Okay, once that's done, you're gonna put this like this and pin it up here behind your ear. And don't forget to lock it with another pin. Same thing with this. Take it from the front, push it inside that, take a pin. Like what I did was went like kind of crisscross and made sure it's nicely secure. Yep. Now I'm gonna open this, and there you have a hairband of your own hair, and it looks so cute. You wanna see it from behind? And believe it or not, it was in my brain and I created it for the first time on my own hair, and I cannot believe that I haven't done it before. It looks so cute. This is not even difficult. You literally take like 2 sets of sections from here and here, braid it, and then just go crisscross, and you have your own thick hairband of your own hair. Oh my god, I can't. This is the third hairstyle. This next hairstyle is also one of my favorite hairstyles that I've been loving recently. So I took a big section out like this, and I'm gonna take a bunch of my hair from here and put it in a half pony. I would recommend you use a comb for this one. Just don't have any around me right now, so I'm just gonna wing it. Once that is done, I'm gonna take this hair and pin it right here and secure that. And then what I'm gonna do is take a bunch of hair from here and we're gonna hide the rubber band. If I had a comb, this wouldn't be happening. Can definitely avoid that. Hold on, I'm gonna fix it. Yes. Yep, that's a temporary fix. Yeah, that is the last hairstyle for today's video. It's very like Ariana meets TikTok girl kind of a vibe, and I love it. It's very cute. It's very easy to create, as you all saw, and it's so trendy. And also this specific hairstyle adds a lot of volume because you're like layering it. One, it makes your hair look longer than it is, and two, it adds a lot of volume because of the curls and because of the layers that you've added. But yeah, this is also one of my go-to hairstyles and I have been loving it. Okay, so those are my 4 go-to quick and easy hairstyles. I hope you all like them. I really encourage all of you to step outside of your comfort zone and try these hairstyles because they really are very easy to achieve. And if you'll do end up recreating these, do not forget to send me your pictures. I would love to see them. A very happy new year to everybody once again. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you all did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, I cannot wait to see you guys again. Bye.